Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be talking about webhooks. Webhooks are an easy way to use third-party services. SashiDo launched advanced cloud code so that you can have the ability to write more complex logic at third-party API libraries and packages, which will provide you a lot of ready-to-use functionalities. This sounds really cool, but probably you're wondering what happens if you want to implement your server-side logic in a language other than JavaScript. Or, for example, if you want to use in your project a tool which is not supported by Cloud Code. Well, in this situation, the perfect thing you can do is set up webhooks on your application. They are an HTTP POST callback request sent to a URL of a user's choice in response to some occurring event. They basically offer simple and effective server-to-server communication without long-running connections. They give you the freedom to use the programming language of your choice and add specialized libraries and technologies. You can write functions on your preferred language and host locally for testing before deployment. You can use webhooks whenever you want to add technology which is not supported by Cloud Code. For example, integration with billing, different email templates, PayPal, Slack, etc. A webhook delivers data to other applications as it happens, which means you get the data immediately and in real time. It's quite easy to use webhooks on SashiDo, so let's log into the dashboard and locate the webhook section. So once we log in and go to our app, here is the webhook section. We'll click on Create a webhook, then we'll choose the type of webhook and we'll fill in the rest of the needed information. For example, webhook type can be before safe. Before the object is safe in a specific class in your database, a request to the webhook will be made. The information will be processed, then returned back, and it will be saved. We have a very detailed tutorial on webhooks in our blog, which contains examples, so I will leave a link to it in the description of the video. Go check it out and definitely give it a try. With the help of webhooks, you now have the freedom to write in whatever language you want. As long as you have a server running it, your Cloud Code can integrate it. For example, let's imagine that we have an app with different kinds of accommodations. And we want to know the type of accommodation. Let's say that we want to hit the server at a specific address, for example www.example.com/resort, whenever a resort object is saved. All we have to do is specify this as a before safe webhook. When parse server receives a request to save a resort object, our server will receive a post with information in JSON. Now our server can process the resort data however we want. In addition to these parameters, you can get data about the users, the installations, and other relevant fields. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. So it's definitely worth it to give it a try. That's it for today, folks. In our next video, we'll be talking about jobs. We'll be discussing how you can add, edit, delete, and schedule jobs, as well as how you can check their status. Thanks for watching and see you soon, guys. Bye for now.